Hello, today I'm going to teach about linear pattern. So let's start on this front view right here. We're going to create a sketch, and we're just going to create a solid body on this front sketch, on this front surface here. Click on front. All right, we're going to do a corner rectangle. Start from the origin. We're going to go with 60. Enter, slide over here, type in 40. Okay, and finish that. We're going to extrude that surface. Solid new, 25. We could just do like 10 millimeters. Okay, now we're going to create our first surface or body that we're going to start to pattern. So let's create a sketch on this face right here. And we're going to go with this inscribed polygon. Let's click here, and we can just click whatever side we want. I'm going to go with 5 sides, and I'm going to choose the size. It's going to be 5 millimeters, and I'm going to make this line right here horizontal. So click that, click this, and it makes it horizontal. Now we can put a dimension in here. We can go, from this corner, we want it to be, let's say 5, and then from this here, another 5. Okay, it's completely black, which means it's fully constrained. Now we can extrude that. So let's go over here to our extrude, grab this right here. We're going to create a new copy of that, and we're going to reverse it. We're probably going to eventually remove this, but right now we're just going to poke it through, so it's going to go all the way through. Okay, and now what we're going to do is the linear pattern. So click on that, click on your body. Okay, entities pattern is part 2. Direction, just choose a line, which direction you want it to go. Actually, let's undo that. We want to click on that direction right there. It turns blue. Now click on that line, and it should follow there. Let's go with 15, and then we're going to flip it. So we're using that guy, and let's say we want 8 copies. Let's see if it pops off. Yep. Okay, so we can go like 6 copies, 5, and we just get it, whatever shape you want it. And now we can choose a second direction if we want. Second direction, this guy right here, and then we can go with same 7, and then instances we can do like let's say 10. We'll see how far it goes. We got to flip that, put that right there, and then we see the 2 over, so we can go back 8, and there we are. Now we can we have all the solid bodies. Let's finish that guy, and now we can remove all of them by going over here to Boolean, subtract, target. Target is our main body. Tools are our other bodies. So if you want to select all of these, there's a couple of different ways to do it. One, we can hover over all of them like that. That's probably the easiest way, and it shows all of them. Or you could have let me undo that. Or you could go select number 2 and then go all the way, hold your shift key, go down to part 44, and it selects them all that way. And then it jumped us out of that Boolean. So that's that, and we got to choose R. Where's our target? Our subtract. Target is this guy. So it's going to subtract from part 1 all of these. Green check. Let's finish that, and there we are. That is our linear pattern. Thanks for watching. Bye.